You have not lived today until you have done something for someone. No one ever become poor by giving. I, the Chim of Asadullah Khan English High School Junior College, says this time my Eid with simplicity.
اچھی صورت کو سنورنے کی ضرورت کیا ہے؟ سادگی بھی قیامت کی ادا رکھتی ہے. فرینڈز، اس سال ہم عید بڑی سادگی سے منائیں گے. انہی پیسوں سے ہم ضرورت مند اور غریبوں کی مدد کریں گے. Your small action will get the food to the needy in time. Stay home, stay safe.
السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ. آج جب ہم اور ہمارا دیش کورونا نامی مہاماری سے جنگ لڑ رہا ہے اور اس جنگ میں جیتنے کے لیے جب ہم اپنی مسجدوں میں نہیں جا رہے ہیں تو شاپنگ سینٹرز میں کیوں جائیں گے؟ سو دس ایئر نو عید شاپنگ. ہماری عید سادگی کے ساتھ. آئی سپورٹ نو عید شاپنگ دس ایئر.
السلام علیکم. میں اسد اللہ خان انگلش ہائی اسکول کی کراٹے ٹیچر. اس بار ہماری عید سادگی سے.
السلام علیکم. Eid Mubarak to all in advance. This year I have decided to stay at home and to say no to Eid shopping and to give same amount to poor and needy people who is suffering a lot due to this lockdown. Think safe, act safe, be safe, stay at home.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Munam Sheikh from Asadullah Khan English High School and Junior College. As we all know, due to the pandemic attack of coronavirus, we are unable to offer namaz at masjid, not even tarawih. On the other hand, people such as cobblers, taxi drivers, rickshaw drivers, etc. have lost their jobs and are unemployed. So, let's celebrate this Eid with simplicity. Let us not buy clothes. Instead of it, helps the needy. Remember, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, whoever helps his brother in his time of need, Allah will help him at his time of need.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Telvi Adipa, student of Asadullah Khan English High School and Junior College. Let's have Eid with simplicity. I say no to Eid shopping. My Eid with simplicity. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Since the world is going through a tough phase because of COVID-19, I, Ms. Maryam Akil Malik, agree with our respected principal Dr. Asadullah Khan sir on the decision of celebrating Eid with simplicity. Come, let's donate at least 50% of our festival's budget to the poor people at such time of crisis.
In the state of lockdown, all mosques are closed. We cannot offer Taraweeh. We don't know about Eid Salah. So why Eid shopping? Let's have Eid with simplicity. My Eid with simplicity. Is bar Eid sadgi.
Assalamu alaikum. I am the student of Asadullah Khan English High School. I follow my respected teachers and Principal Asad sir's decision. I say no to Eid shopping. I will celebrate this Eid with simplicity.
My Eid with simplicity.
My Eid with simplicity. My Eid with simplicity.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shopping in a Eid is not a thing that you have to take as a first, but on the other hand, giving zakat is one of the 5 pillars of Islam. This Eid, take a pledge and say no to Eid shopping and try to participate in the righteous deed, a deed which makes you come closer to the source of humanity, a deed which is most liked by the Almighty Allah. And that is the deed of charity, by donating more and more to the needy ones. This Eid, we have to act as a responsible citizen.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I, the student of Asadullah Khan English High School, follow my respected Asad sir decision and follow my teacher's footsteps. I say no to Eid shopping. This Eid, I will celebrate with simplicity. Save people, save money, save future. This Eid with love and care for others. This Eid.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Bhatkar Al-Sami and the student of Asadullah Khan English High School and Junior College. As Asad sir said, this time we don't have to buy new clothes due to coronavirus COVID-19. all the people are suffering from this disease, so we have to save our money, and instead of buying new clothes we have to give and donate to the needed people who need money, food, anything else, but we don't have to buy new clothes. This is a very serious matter of our country, so we all have to come together and fight with coronavirus.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am the student of Asadullah Khan English High School. I want to only say that shopping is not compulsory or first for us, but giving zakat in this time what we all had to do. There are people who are suffering in this situation, so we have to take some responsibilities on our own. Let's help others make this Eid in secret.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Eid shopping is not so necessary. Helping poor, helping needy, helping hungry people is more necessary. I will save my money and will give charity. This year I say no.
I am Aman from Asadullah Khan English High School and Junior College. I will respect and follow the instruction of my school principal, Dr. Asadullah Khan. This Eid, no shopping, no wasting of money, only help to poor and needy.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Amid Asif Khan and I am the student of Asadullah Khan English High School and Junior College. By the decision of Asadullah sir and by following the footsteps of our teacher, we have decided to say no to Eid shopping. Stay home, stay safe, save money for future.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ayman Mukri. I study in Asadullah Khan English High School. In this Eid, no shopping, I will help only needy people or poor people. I will make this Eid in simplicity.
Barakatuh. I am from Asadullah Khan English High School. We should make this Eid with all love and care for others and with simplicity. Save money, save people and save future. Eid shopping is not necessary. Please try to understand.
Assalamu alaikum. In the states of lockdown, all mosques are closed. We cannot offer Tarawih. We don't know about Eid Salah. So why Eid shopping? Let's have Eid with simplicity. I said no to Eid shopping. My Eid with
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am the student of Asadullah Khan English High School and today I want to tell you that we will celebrate this Eid with simplicity and we will help the poor and needy people, those who are not getting the food.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज मैं ये वीडियो एक स्पेशल मैसेज के साथ बना रही हूँ कि दिस रमज़ान ईद लेट्स सेलिब्रेट ईद इन द ट्रू स्पिरिट ऑफ रमज़ान, दैट इज सेल्फ कंट्रोल, सेल्फ परसिवरेंस, एम्पैथी, चैरिटी एंड जेनरोसिटी। इस रमज़ान ईद को हम शॉपिंग नहीं करेंगे, हम बिल्कुल फजूल खर्च नहीं करेंगे, जीरो शॉपिंग। इसके 4 फायदे हैं। पहला फायदा ये होगा कि ये कोरोना के फैलने में इसमें रुकावट आएगी, हमारे बाहर न जाने से बहुत बड़ा फर्क पड़ेगा। सेकंड फायदा ये होगा कि हमारे बहुत सारे पैसे बचेंगे और वक्त भी बचेगा। तीसरा फायदा ये होगा कि ये हमारी तरफ से दुनिया के लिए एक तोहफा होगा कि हम उन बचाए हुए पैसों को उन लोगों के लिए मदद करेंगे जो इतने खुश नसीब नहीं है, जिनको दवाइयाँ, खाने पीने में आज भी तकलीफ हो रही है, आगे चल के और भी तकलीफ होने वाली है। तो हम ये पैसे जो हैं उन लोगों के लिए खर्च करेंगे। ये किसी एक सिंगल कम्युनिटी के लिए नहीं होगा, इर्रेस्पेक्टिव ऑफ कास्ट, क्रीड, रिलीजन, कलर। हम ये पैसे सभी के लिए यूज करेंगे फ्यूचर में, तो इन पैसों को बचाइए। और चौथा बड़ा फायदा होगा कि ऐसी ईद आपने कभी नहीं मनाई होगी। इसमें जो सुकून मिलेगा, जब हम अपनी खुशियों को थोड़ा सा कुर्बान करके किसी और के बारे में सोचते हैं, तो उसमें जो सुकून मिलता है, आज तक ऐसी ईद आपने मनाई नहीं होगी, ट्रस्ट मी। तो इसलिए इस बार नो शॉपिंग। इस वीडियो को फॉरवर्ड कीजिए और सबको कहिए कि बिल्कुल शॉपिंग नहीं करना है। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
हम और हमारे बच्चे ईद मनाएंगे मगर सादगी से। हम सबकी ईद।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। आई एम शुहैजुल शेख एंड आई एम द स्टूडेंट ऑफ असदुल्ला खान इंग्लिश हाई स्कूल। जैसा कि आप सब जानते हैं कि रमज़ान पाक का मुबारक महीना चल रहा है और बहुत ही जल्द ईद आने वाली है, लेकिन कोरोना वायरस की वजह से इस बार हम अपने घरों से बाहर नहीं निकल सकते। और मेरी और हमारे स्कूल की तरफ से आप सबसे यही गुजारिश है कि आप सब इस बार ईद की शॉपिंग के लिए घर से बिल्कुल बाहर ना निकले। इससे अच्छा ये है कि आप सब जो पैसे खर्च करें शॉपिंग के लिए, उसे गरीबों में तकसीम करें। इससे अल्लाह पाक को बेहद खुशी होगी। और हमारी तरफ से यही गुजारिश है आप सबको कि इस बार की ईद आप सब अपने परिवार के साथ खुशहाली से और बेहद सादगी के साथ मनाएं। शुक्रिया।